It is given in this question, during the preparation of more salt solution, some acid was added to prevent the hydrolysis of Fe2 plus ion. We have to identify the acid which was added in the reaction. More salt is a double salt and it is prepared from ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate. During the preparation of this more salt, an acid such as dilute sulfuric acid is often added to the reaction mixture. Because sulfuric acid is added to maintain the acidic environment that helps to prevent the oxidation, thus preserving the ferrous sulfate needed for the formation of more salt. And one more thing is, sulfuric acid can helps to keep the ferrous sulfate in solution and prevents the precipitation of iron hydroxides or other unwanted compounds that can form in a less acidic medium. Now let's come to the options given here. The first one is dilute nitric acid. Nitric acid cannot be used for the preparation of more salt because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. When it is used in the presence of ferrous ion, it can oxidize them to ferric ion, which would prevent the formation of more salt. So option A is the incorrect one. Second one is dilute sulfuric acid. This is the correct answer as we discussed now. And the third one is dilute hydrochloric acid. When hydrochloric acid is added to the solution containing ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate, the chloride ions can react with ferrous ions and potentially leading to the formation of iron 2 chloride. This can interfere with the formation of the desired more salt, which is based on sulfate ions. So option C is also incorrect. And the last one is given as concentrated sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid we can use, but concentrated sulfuric acid is typically not used in this preparation method because concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong oxidizing agent, especially at high temperature. It can oxidize ferrous ion to ferric ion, which prevents the formation of more salt. So the correct answer is option B, dilute sulfuric acid, which is used for the preparation of more salt.